Welcome back. So tasting the humba soup here. Pretty good. So the jackfruit, the sweet jackfruit, really blends the taste because it's really good, and that's not an original way to cook this. And then I just add that, okay, and yeah, it's very good, and I don't have to put any sugar on this because the sweet jackfruit is already has it, and I'll add the pechay on it too, and the sweet onions, so it's very tasty and delicious. Okay, thank you for the likes and subscribe, and bon appetit. See you later, and take care. Happy Easter again. Bye.